SNAP provides critical food benefits to more than 1 in 8 North Carolinians, and more than 1 million of them are food insecure, including 1 in 6 children.
News 13's Nija Petahome has more on how SNAP and WIC benefit reductions impact young children's well-being.
In the state, more than 1.4 million people rely on the SNAP to meet basic needs. This is according to the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services. And CEO for nonprofit Warner Center for Early Learning says without the SNAP, children suffers.
That negative impact on children's healthy development, that is going to stay with that child throughout their entire life.
Without SNAP support, children face long-term health and learning challenges. This is according to Marcia Whitney, CEO of Warner Center for Early Learning.
When we're looking at especially the first 1,000 days of a child's life, and that's the first 2 years, and then also, but the entire 0 to 5 spectrum, the first 2,000 days of life, there is critical brain development happening at that time.
Whitney says about 90% of brain development happens before a child even starts kindergarten. Access to adequate nutrition in early childhood plays a big role in brain development, which is a critical period for cognitive growth. And without proper nutrition, these early gaps can have lifelong consequences.
Right now, if their brain is not getting the healthy food that it needs to grow strong, they're going to have deficits for the rest of their lives, possibly negative health possibly negative health impacts, possibly chronic illnesses can develop at this young age that will stay with that child throughout their life. And that's to say nothing of their capacity to learn, to grow as a human, to develop normally as a young person who's going to hopefully enter kindergarten ready to succeed. But if they don't have the healthy food and nutrition to do that, they could potentially have lifelong impacts in addition to the here and now short-term hunger impacts.
It is sensitive and cannot be reversed.
If that window of opportunity is gone, then that child will have impacts from that loss of brain development for the balance of their entire life. What needs to happen is for all of our elected officials of all political stripes to come together to fix this problem and not have children and families caught in the crosswires of political gain.
I'm Nija Petahome, News 13.